First Mon Show.
Come in. How are you, my daughter?
I'm fine, sir.
How may I help you?
Pastor, I have a testimony.
Tell me, what is your testimony?
Pastor, God is a wonderful.
Yes, Lord.
He is a gracious
Yes,
Father.
Lord.
He is a great Father.
Look at me.
My family and I were coming from a journey. My mom was in the car. My brother was in the car. My sister was in the car. The driver and me. Pastor, we were coming. The car was coming like this. Was coming like this. Was coming like this. And one of that car was coming from this side. Was coming like this. Was coming like this. This was.
Hey, Master Neboko, Shinder Makazana. Lehi Makazi Durumakacham. Aliku Maratsana Marakasandor Bakacham. Receive it, my daughter.
Yes, sir.
Is that your testimony, my daughter?
No. That's not all, Pastor. Before I could open my eyes, the car turned to black.
Hey!
The next thing to back.
Hey! Lakasunduru Basha Takasindere Bacha Pa! Lahimu Lumulukaza la Mojiza la Bara. My sister, receive it. Is that your testimony?
No, Pastor. After this car tumbled, everybody in the car scattered on the floor.
Hey! Lakini Shinkita Majito na Makashindera Kasana.
My mother, she broke her back. We took her to the hospital. She's okay.
Lekebo Shandara.
Yes, Pastor.
Is that your testimony, my daughter?
Pastor, my sister, she had a cut
Yes,
on her forehead, but she's okay now.
La Shendro Makazindre Bo Shantara. Is that your testimony, my daughter?
That is not the testimony. Pastor, look at me. Pastor, look at me. There's nothing wrong with me. I am intact. I am very fine, Pastor.
Hey! La Kishili Masuro Mata Karakachata. Rogisiri. Receive, my daughter. The Lord is good.
Oh, yes, Pastor.
Is that your testimony?
No, Pastor. That is not the testimony.
Hey!
Pastor, our Father is a faithful man.
Yes, Lord.
He is a grateful
Yes,
Father.
Lord.
He is wonderful. With all this somersaulting, Pastor, this is my phone. I kept it in the pigeonhole. It's the car somersaulted 3 good times. After the whole thing, my phone, the screen did not scratch. The screen did not break. Nothing went wrong with my phone. The network is intact. I did not lose any contact. Pastor, God is grateful. Pastor, that is the testimony. Praise the Lord! Pastor, praise the Lord! Pastor, praise the Lord! Pastor, praise the Lord now.
Come in. Come and receive it. Closer. Closer. Oh, what kind of thing? Rubbish. You can imagine. Is that the testimony? Get away! Leave my office! Rubbish.
Do you understand the formula? Do you understand the formula?
Adobe.
Do you understand the formula?